Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the Family column. Then select the Progeny column. After that, select the Replication column. And next comes the Variables column. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for Transformation, click Run Analysis, and just like that, your results are ready. No calculations, no stress, just tailor-made outputs. You can copy and paste straight into your report. Download them in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. It's that easy. Detailed ANOVA tables for each character and for each family based on the selected character are available in the individual ANOVA tab. In the Basic Plot tab, you will get needed visuals and create presentation-ready box plots, violin plots, mean value plots, connected line plots, and bar graphs. All are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you want more power, the Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. For quick, smart summaries, visit the AI Interpretation tab, where Raisins Assistant breaks down your analysis with clear insights. And if you've got 3 or more observations, use Multivariate tab to perform PCA with downloadable results at your fingertips. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.